I'm in the lobby right now. I'm about to get me some coffee right quick. While I'm getting some coffee, I'm gonna just chop it up with y'all, talk to y'all. You feel me? Waiting on my coffee to heat up. But I'm gonna just chop it up with y'all. I'm gonna just talk to y'all. I'm probably gonna walk around like I don't know. I'm not really with, but just a little quick little video on, I guess like some dread tips, like something, I could just do something like real quick. It ain't really about making your junk grow faster. It's really about like not doing too much to your stuff. Like right now, I got build up in my shit. Like you probably can't even see it like at this moment, but you see it right here. Oh, where that? You see it like right here. I got some build up, you know what I'm saying? But what you want to stay away from is, majority of the time, what you want to stay away from is dyes. You feel me? You want to stay away from the dyes. You want to stay away from the oils, too much oils. You know what I'm saying? That's cool and all. Having oil, putting oiling up your hair, that's cool and all. But like, see, for me, I'm only gonna get like a hot oil treatment if that's the really only time I'm gonna put oil in my hair, if I'm going to get a hot oil treatment, right? Switch this around. Sometimes I like rocking the Up Next multi-purpose beanie like all black. Like if I almost dropped y'all. Like if I got like like Nike, Adidas, you know what I'm saying? I'll turn it backwards so you can see the all black. But like if I'm working out, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna rock the Up Next. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna rock the Up Next multi-purpose beanie. Feel me, with the logo in front. I'm gonna just sit down and talk to y'all. I feel like it's easier. At the end of the day, bro, it's your hair. You feel me? And like for me, I can only speak on like my journey. I can only speak on like the things that I know. I can only speak on the things that I know. I can only speak on my journey. And like for me, it was more like allowing my hair to grow. You get what I'm saying? Like I never did too much to my hair. Like every now and then you're gonna see, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna see like some buildup or something of that nature. But other than that, bro, it's gonna be straight. Okay, let's see if they got my French vanilla. If they ain't got my French vanilla, I'm going crazy. You gotta go with the Colombian. You gotta brew that bit. If they ain't got my French vanilla, I'm going crazy. If they ain't got my French vanilla, I'm going crazy. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, for me, it's more on so allowing my hair to grow, not doing things to prevent my hair from growing, like bleach, like certain dyes, like certain chemicals. You get what I'm saying? Because of the simple fact, it's like, bro, like, it's really all depending on like, what are you trying to do with your hair? You know what I'm saying? Are you trying to grow your hair to a healthy length? Like for me, it was more so on, I'm just trying to grow my hair out. My whole life, I had short hair. So now I'm just trying to grow my hair out. You feel me? So it was never about, I'm trying to look like him, I'm trying to look like her, I'm trying to get it this color, I'm trying to get it that color. It was never about that with me. So that's why you'll never see me like dye my hair. And if I do dye my hair, it's gonna be something like in me, like, okay, now it's your turn, now it's your time to dye your, you feel me? But other than that, you're not really gonna see me do the extra, do the most with my hair. Like, y'all gonna see me get a retwist, you know what I'm saying? I mean, maybe sometime in the future you're gonna see me dye my hair, bro, but I'm not too big on that shit. Like, a lot of folks be doing this shit for clout. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of folks be doing this shit for clout. Like, they get pink hair, they get purple hair or something like that, just to stand out, or just to, I don't know what they be thinking. You feel me? But if you're doing it to stand out, that's you know, that's, I guess you could say that's smart. That's a smart strategy to stand out to. But if you're doing it to like brand yourself, things of that nature, that's a smart move. But if you're doing it because other people are doing it, you really gotta like, you gotta look at yourself. You gotta think like, what the fuck am I doing? What am I doing? What do I want to do with my hair? It's my hair. What what am I doing? You know what I'm saying? So that's what that we about to take on this coffee though. If this coffee is look, it's too, it ain't light enough. They ain't got that cream on top. It ain't got that vanilla in it. So what I gotta do, I gotta pour it out. That's tough. So now, the second time, what do? I go ahead and I go for, I'm gonna get the cafe mocha. Get the Colombian beans. Good. Yeah, man, cause man, you get that fresh vanilla, bro. That fresh vanilla be busting, but if it don't have no vanilla in it, then it's not fresh vanilla, and then it's not busting, bro. It's just that simple. It's that simple. You feel me? But like I was saying though, you know what I'm saying? It all depends on what you trying to do with your hair. And how do you feel? Like what are you feeling? You feel me? But nah, man, I gotta start posting for y'all a lot more. That's why I'm really like filming off my phone, cause it's ain't gonna lie to y'all, I left my camera upstairs and I haven't been in the groove like that lately, so it's a little rocky. You feel me? But I'm about to go ahead and record like 3 or 4 videos for y'all right now, upload them all raw. I probably am stuttering in this video because it was like a lot of distractions, a lot of things of that nature. You feel me? But at the end of the day, man, y'all know, y'all see what's going on. Y'all know what's going on with me, bro. I'm just here to just talk to y'all. Like, I'm here to talk to y'all like y'all right next to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, we just chopping it up about some hair shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, on some cool shit. You feel me? But that's that. I got a lot of things like in my mind, in my head that I really want to do. I got something big coming up that I'm not really supposed to be worried about, but I kind of am. Other than that, man, shit, just keep living life. Just keep, I got to be on this internet a lot more. Like, y'all gonna see me turn up a lot more. I swear to God. I swear to God, y'all gonna see me turn up a lot more. Okay, so we just got that cafe mocha. And this is, this should have some chocolate in it. That's the only reason I really got this motherfucker, because it should have chocolate in it. And you know what I'm saying? You always want to keep it P. You always want to keep it professional. Not player, but professional. Hey, you talking about, nigga? That's what my P mean, nigga. My P mean professional, nigga. Y'all be players, nigga. I'm a professional, nigga. God damn, this bitch taste like this straight coffee, bro. This, I don't know if it ain't no chocolate in that bit, no vanilla in that bit, but y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better, all right? But like I was saying, like I was just talking about junk. See, y'all niggas be players, man. I'm a professional. You feel me? A player is just somebody who just got in the game, nigga. You just a player. But a professional is a nigga that take his time with the craft. Take time out the day to learn and study the craft. You feel me? So y'all can keep it P, y'all can keep it play. I'm gonna keep it P, I'm gonna keep it professional. You feel me? And if you ever hear somebody saying they keeping it P, they keeping it professional, just know they getting it from me, because I'm gonna keep saying it. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody else saying some more stuff. You feel me? But I'm about to get this quick thumbnail, or do I already have a thumbnail? I'm not too sure. But I'm about to upload this video raw, like straight off my phone. I left my camera upstairs, so it just is what it is. I'm about to record another one after this, so y'all gonna get 3 videos today. And yeah, we're gonna make some more TikToks. I gotta make some more TikToks while I'm down here. And yeah, man, I think that's gonna really end off the day. Kind of productive day. Not as productive as I wanted to, but let's get on to this second video. Let's get on to this second video.